Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Blinders. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-Odds Countertop Blender is an impressive kitchen appliance that combines power, versatility, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their blending experience. With a robust 1,000-watt motor, this blender is equipped to handle a variety of tasks, from smoothies and juices to purees and crushed ice, ensuring you can create a wide range of recipes effortlessly. One of the standout features of the BL610 is its total crushing technology, which expertly crushes through ice and frozen ingredients, producing smooth and consistent textures in seconds. This is particularly valuable for users who love to create smoothies packed with frozen fruits, or for those who enjoy refreshing frozen drinks. The 72-ounce pitcher provides ample capacity for large batches, making it ideal for families or gatherings. The user interface is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a straightforward push-button control system that allows you to easily select from 4 different speeds. This lets you customize the blending process to achieve the perfect consistency for your mixtures. Additionally, the machine's BPA-free material gives you peace of mind regarding food safety, while the stainless steel blades are built to last and deliver exceptional blending power. Vegetable Chopper. The Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is an exceptional kitchen tool designed to make food preparation effortless and efficient. With its compact dimensions of 7.99 liters into 2.99 knotted into 4.49 inches and lightweight construction at just 2 pounds, it is perfectly suited for both small and large kitchens. The sleek white design adds a modern aesthetic to your countertop, while the high-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. One of the standout features of the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is its multi-purpose functionality. It excels at chopping vegetables quickly and uniformly, making it an invaluable asset for meal prep enthusiasts and busy home cooks alike. The V-shaped blade, measuring 4 inches in length, effortlessly slices through a variety of vegetables, saving time and reducing effort in the kitchen. The manual operation mode means you have full control over the size and texture of your chopped ingredients. Whether you're dicing onions for a stir-fry or slicing cucumbers for a salad, the Full-Star Chopper delivers consistent results every time. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible for everyone, regardless of culinary skill level. Non-stick frying pan. The Sensar-T non-stick frying pan skillet offers a remarkable combination of functionality and ease of use. Crafted from durable stainless steel with Bakelite accents, this pan ensures efficient heat distribution while maintaining its stylish gray appearance. With a generous 9.5-inch size, it is ideal for a variety of cooking tasks, including sautéing, frying, and stir-frying. One of the standout features of this skillet is its non-stick coating, which significantly enhances cooking and cleanup experiences. Users can prepare dishes like pancakes, omelets, and seared meats without the worry of sticking, allowing for perfectly cooked meals with minimal effort. The pan is compatible with all stovetop types, including gas, electric coil, and induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. The Sensar frying pan is built with user convenience in mind. Its aluminum handle, designed to stay cool during cooking, provides a comfortable grip and contributes to the overall lightweight feel of the skillet at just 1.45 pounds. This makes it particularly easy to maneuver, whether flipping an omelet or transferring a dish to the oven, where it is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Kitchen dishcloths. The Homaxi 100% cotton waffle weave kitchen dishcloths are an impressive addition to any kitchen, boasting a well-thought-out design that balances functionality with aesthetic appeal. The set includes 6 dish towels, each measuring 12 inches by 12 inches, ensuring that you have a sufficient supply for all your kitchen needs. One of the standout features of these dishcloths is their waffle weave construction, which enhances absorbency while providing a soft texture that feels gentle against surfaces. The dark gray color presents a modern and stylish look, making them suitable for various kitchen decors. This unisex design appeals to a broad audience, ensuring that both men and women can find value in these cloths. With a focus on practicality, the Homaxi dishcloths are crafted from 100% cotton, a fabric known for its durability and absorbency. They are easy to care for, requiring no bleach or fabric softeners, and can be dried naturally or at low temperatures. This consideration for maintenance ensures that the cloths remain in excellent condition through repeated use, though users should be mindful of avoiding high temperatures to preserve the fabric quality. Dish drying rack. The Kitsura dish drying rack offers an impressive blend of practicality and style, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Constructed from durable metal, this drying rack not only supports a significant amount of weight, but also showcases a rust-resistant finish, ensuring its longevity and maintaining a sleek appearance over time. Measuring 11.4 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 4.9 inches high, it occupies minimal counter space while providing ample room for dish storage. Its compact design is particularly beneficial for smaller kitchens, allowing users to maximize their space without compromising on functionality. The black color adds a modern touch, fitting seamlessly into various kitchen aesthetics. This multi-purpose drying rack is designed for countertop use, making it easy to place dishes to dry after washing. The thoughtful layout accommodates plates, cups, and utensils, showcasing a user-friendly arrangement that makes dish drying a breeze. The design is intuitive, allowing for easy access and organization.